and today I'm unboxing my KRATOS, my new KRATOS magnet that Josephine surprised me with and bought me. So let's get to it. Check it out. And if you want your own, the link is in the description below. And use the coupon code for 12% off. Random and Proud. Let's get to it. See what we got. Okay, so she surprised me and she got me KRATOS magnet. And she used my link. Pretty exciting. This is addressed to you. We got some stickers. That aside. And it was called the Athena.
Yeah.
Nice rope. Hook. It was the kit. Thread lock. KRATOS bag. Nice bag. Scraper. Gloves. And now the magnet. Dun, 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 dun. Clamp. Eye bolts here. Oh, I know what I'm doing. Put my thread lock on. My first KRATOS magnet. Make sure I got everything. Yep. Excited. This is 1,400 pound. There it is. Beauty. Can't wait to try it. Gonna hit all our spots with this new magnet. So the next time I go magnet fishing, I'll definitely be using the new magnet. If you're looking to get your own KRATOS magnet, the link will be in the description below, as well as a coupon code, Random and Proud. Use that and you'll get 12% off. Can't go wrong with KRATOS. Go check it out and buy the best, find the best stuff. That's it.